In this video, we'll explore some of the most amazing 3D printing and DIY tools on the market. Be sure to check the links in the description to find each product mentioned at a price that fits your budget. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. SignCore CNC Lathe. The SignCore CNC Lathe redefines CNC lathing with professional-grade precision while remaining compact and user-friendly. It's an ideal choice for creators who want precision without sacrificing workspace. This CNC lathe is compact but powerful, thanks to its durable aluminum base and high-quality components. Smooth, accurate cuts make it perfect for detailed projects, even for those new to CNC lathing. SignCore's intuitive control system ensures beginners won't face a steep learning curve. The SignCore CNC lathe is also designed with a coolant-ready system, ensuring that it can handle intense, prolonged tasks without overheating, a valuable feature for high-volume or extended projects. To expand its versatility, the SignCore includes a variety of accessories, such as specialized tool holders and precision chucks, so users can adapt the lathe for specific projects or customizations as needed. Sustainability is also a key focus for SignCore. From reusable packaging to high-quality, durable components, this lathe is built to last and minimize waste. The SignCore CNC lathe empowers both new and seasoned users to create complex, professional-grade projects. By supporting this project on Kickstarter, you're investing in a lathe designed for the future of craftsmanship. Number 2. Ideaformer IR3V2 Clipper Firmware Conveyor Belt 3D Printer. The Ideaformer IR3V2 brings a fresh twist to 3D printing. With dimensions of 250 x 250 x 3 millimeters, this conveyor belt 3D printer breaks new ground in batch printing and extra-long model production. Its infinite Z-axis frees you from height limits, providing endless possibilities for creative projects and large-scale tasks alike. Leveling can be one of the trickiest parts of 3D printing, but the IR3V2 solves this with 100% automatic leveling and a PEI-coated metal conveyor belt. The IR3V2 achieves a maximum print speed of 400 mm per second, producing high-quality output with minimal vibration or error. The robust gear-driven Z-axis and smooth X-Y-axis movement add stability and accuracy, especially useful for high-speed printing. The IR3V2 is ideal for anyone needing continuous production, as it can print multiple models in sequence or handle long designs that would traditionally require splicing. A 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, and an optional enclosure box add to the IR3V2's versatility, enabling remote operation, high-temperature printing, and compatibility with more materials, including ABS and nylon. With modular parts, easy maintenance, and durability, the Ideaformer IR3V2 offers users both scale and convenience, making it a versatile tool for creative 3D printing projects of all sizes. Number 3. iFu ED2 Engraving and Drill Pen. The iFu ED2 Engraving and Drill Pen is a must-have for artists, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile tool combines engraving, polishing, drilling, and more in a compact, pen-like design, making it both powerful and easy to maneuver. With a maximum torque of 150 mm, the iFu ED2 can handle tough materials like metal, glass, and wood with high precision, allowing for fine detail and delicate work. It offers dual modes, instant control for short tasks, and a continuous mode for longer projects. With 3 speed settings, 5,000, 12,000, 22,000 RPM, and stepless speed control, users can adjust the speed to suit any material, from soft plastics to tough metals. A built-in COB light provides 3 brightness levels, helping reduce eye strain and ensuring you can work comfortably in various lighting conditions. It can even serve as an emergency flashlight. The ED2 comes with 10 chucks that accommodate a range of bit sizes, giving you flexibility for different tasks, and its rechargeable 900 mAh battery offers cordless freedom for creative projects on the go. Number 4. Laser Toner Pi 1. The Laser Toner Pi 1 is a portable, user-friendly laser engraver that's perfect for creators of all experience levels. With a 10-watt laser, it's powerful enough for detailed engravings on a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, and glass. The Pi 1's foldable, magnetic design makes setup a breeze. Just snap it into place, no screws or tangled wires required. Weighing only 1.93 kilograms, it's easy to take anywhere, enabling engraving at home or on the move. One standout feature is its batch engraving capability, which allows multiple designs to be engraved simultaneously, even across different materials, making it ideal for studios or DIYers with larger projects. Its ultra-fast preview, up to 9600 mm per sec, eliminates guesswork, enabling precise alignment before engraving. The Pi 1's large engraving area, up to 100 by 2000 millimeters, can handle big items like banners or cylindrical objects with rotary rollers. Paired with the Laser Toner app, users gain access to batch engraving, offline functionality, and integration with design platforms, enhancing creative freedom. Safety is a priority with the Pi 1. It features tilt and vibration protection, overheat detection, and a safety shield, making it a safe option for users of all levels. With its sleek, portable design and powerful 10-watt laser, the Laser Toner Pi 1 is an ideal tool for hobbyists and professionals alike, supporting a wide range of creative projects. Number 5. Ortur H20 Laser Engraver. The Ortur H20 is a powerhouse laser engraver, offering a range of impressive features suited to artists, DIY enthusiasts, and professional craftsmen. With modules ranging from 10 watts to 40 watts, and an additional 2 watts infrared module for metal engraving, it's adaptable to various materials and project sizes. Its powerful 40-watt module can cut through 20mm wood or 30mm acrylic in a single pass, while the 10-watt and 20-watt modules are perfect for delicate, precise cuts on thinner materials. Engineered for precision, the Ortur H20 boasts 0.01mm motion accuracy, delivering clean, sharp lines on any project. With speeds up to 20,000 mm per min, it's designed for efficiency without sacrificing quality, even on large-scale or batch projects. The Ortur H20 also allows for 360D rotary engraving, perfect for cylindrical objects like mugs or bottles. It includes a live preview feature that lets you see and adjust your design before starting, reducing waste and errors. The H20's integrated air purifier keeps the workspace clean, eliminating smoke and odors during operation, and its wireless beam and enclosed design further enhance safety. This laser engraver is built for high performance and ease of use, whether you're an artist or a professional in need of a reliable, versatile engraving solution. Number 6. Vader Laser Levels. Vader laser levels combine precision, ruggedness, and versatility, making them ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're installing shelves, aligning tiles, or managing large construction projects, the Vader laser level provides unmatched accuracy. It includes self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, each designed to tackle different leveling tasks. The self-leveling mode automatically aligns within a 2 to 4 degree tilt, while manual mode lets users set custom angles. Pulse mode, designed for outdoor use, extends the range to 262 feet with a laser receiver, ensuring accuracy in any lighting. The Vader's green laser is 50 times brighter than red lasers, providing better visibility for precise alignments. The 3D Vader model projects 12 lines across 360 degrees, covering entire rooms with flawless spatial accuracy, perfect for complex projects like tiling or inspections. It's durable, with an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, and has passed a 4.92-foot drop test, ensuring reliability in rugged job sites. Its magnetic mount and 1/4-inch 20 tripod compatibility offer easy positioning, while the pendulum lock prevents movement during storage. Replaceable batteries ensure the Vader laser level is always ready for extended tasks. With a compact, durable design, Vader laser levels are easy to transport, from workshops to construction sites, and help you achieve perfect alignment for any project. Back this tool on Kickstarter and experience a new level of precision in measurement. These tools, from 3D printers and CNC lathes to laser engravers and rangefinders, represent the latest advancements in creative and construction technology. Number 7. Kamiyasu Mac Pro Laser Rangefinder. The Kamiyasu Mac Pro Laser Rangefinder is a versatile measurement tool suited to a variety of fields, from construction and surveying to golf and outdoor adventures. With 8 specialized modes, it can handle everything from straight-line measurements to slope calculations, height assessments, and speed tracking. It's designed to deliver precise measurements in complex environments, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. Featuring a 6.5x magnification lens, a 17mm eyepiece, and a 21mm objective lens, the Kamiyasu Mac Pro provides clear views and precise focusing. It offers a high measurement accuracy of 0.5 meters for distances up to 1,200 meters, making it highly reliable for both close-up and distant measurements. Its intuitive color touchscreen allows for easy mode switching, unit adjustments, and voice prompt control, all stored within a durable aluminum alloy body that is IP54 rated for water and dust resistance. This rangefinder is built to withstand diverse weather conditions, with a temperature tolerance of -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. A rechargeable 700 mAh lithium battery and USB-C charging port ensure long-lasting performance. For golfers, a magnetic mount secures the rangefinder to golf carts or clubs, while a dedicated slope compensation mode improves shot accuracy. Whether on the course, the field, or in the great outdoors, the Kamiyasu Mac Pro is an invaluable tool for accurate, reliable measurements.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.